Alright, so here we have two. This one's making a weird noise. Here we have a Trane XL16i and a Carrier Infinity series heat pumps. This one shakes a lot. Holy crap, I can shake it a lot. Look at that. Carrier. There's a compressor. It has it's a variable speed compressor. Right here is a reversing valve. This one shut off. 2016 4-ton. September 2016. The line is it was just running. So yeah, there's the Trane XL16i. The Trane logo is missing. I like the blades, they look nice. Looks kind of like the Trane XR13 I filmed back in April. In 2010 Trane XR. Alright, scroll compressor, it's an orange one. And the XL16i logo. I like the fan blades and I like the color too. It makes it look cool and unique. It's cool and unique. It's from 2006. It's a 3-ton. GE fan motor. Oh, I forgot to show you the reversing valve. Forgot to show you the reversing valve on this one. It's right there. I caught this. I'm gonna upload a couple videos of this thing starting up. This thing was running, but now it's not. Alright, so thank you for watching, and over and out. I'll make more videos of these to come soon. So, yeah.